unboxing my after Black Friday deal. Well, $699. I ain't paying nowhere near that. I got it better than Black Friday pricing. Well, let's see what it looks like. My favorite part of buying anything new, taking it out of the box. Well, it does have a few dents. I don't really see any on the sides. Just the front door. Really not too worried about it neither. It's a $199 pretty large fridge for a shed. Little tiki bar. It'll hold alcohol, the beers, whatever you want to put in there. That's all I care. I don't care about the dent. But that is something you do care about. Be mindful. Only thing I really care about is if the glass is broken. Then I'm being an upset person. Nice, good packaging there. Not the best packaging for the door. Got good packaging in here. I guess just the front door packaging is terrible. So be mindful. You might have some dents in your door. But it's a good price either way. Breaking it. It does come with a nice tray. Cheap thing, but it's a nice tray. I do like that it does fold that shut. It's good. So when things freeze to it, it might be helpful. So I think not sure if this is tempered glass. I don't see any markings like you'd normally see. Be mindful of that. Instruction booklet. Normal arbitration notice. Energy Guide sticker. Said it costs an estimated $41 a year. And the rate energy prices are going up. That costs $46 next year. I do want to believe to say that this is an egg holder. I don't know why they give you egg holders. They come in a carton, but it seems to be what it's for. Holding eggs. Other than that, it seems to be a pretty decent fridge. Again, I only paid $199 for it after discounts and If you apply for a credit card through Lowe's, you know, they knock some more money off of it. So not bad for after Black Friday deal. I got it better than on Black Friday. Let's plug it in and see how it works. So it looks like it's got a light. We're gonna find out. It is nice because they do take the power cord and they tuck it up inside. There's a little hole back here. It's got a compressor. They actually put it inside instead of taping it to the back of the fridge. And, you know, have anything all smashed up. That they were smart for that. Not too smart on packaging the front door. Oh, there's got a pretty nice light up in there. It doesn't seem to have adjustable rear feet. But it does have two front adjustable feet that are pretty easy to use. Got some nice little grippy texture. You can actually get a pretty decent grip on these in the back. Other side's right here. Extra little adjustment. I don't believe this. Does not look like it's changeable to left or right hand. It's how it is. Can't change the doors to open the other way. Probably could, a little engineering, but it's not built that way. Let's keep that in mind. Oh, come on here and give you a close up of it on. Your adjustments. Seem pretty smooth. It comes out. A little bit of a chore. It does come out. You got 3 available. There's no adjustment to the doors. You got 2 buckets, and that's it. But I really do like this whole fresh ozone for fish and meat. Not sure what I'll put there. Probably like some snacks. A small little freezer area. Case of hamburgers, hot dogs, something you just want to keep on hand. Same thing, 2 drawers, 2 buckets on the door. They're not adjustable. Where they're at is where they're at. It's my little unboxing of the LG. I think it's a 9.8 cubic foot for $699 at Lowe's.